Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop batter. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need a candy thermometer and your chosen lollipop molds. Make sure all your equipment is clean and ready to go before you start cooking. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful candy making process. Next, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once it boils, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your mixture hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. This is crucial to prevent overcooking. Now, quickly and carefully add 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring extract and a few drops of food coloring. Stir these additions in swiftly but gently to ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the hot candy batter. Work fast, as the mixture will begin to cool and thicken. Finally, carefully pour the hot lollipop batter into your prepared molds. Be precise and avoid overfilling. Immediately insert your lollipop sticks into the cooling candy, ensuring they are centered and secure. Let the lollipops cool completely at room temperature. This can take about 30 minutes to 1 hour. For other great deals and to check out those amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, find the link in the description below. Once fully cooled, gently remove your perfect lollipops from their molds and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.